Hello everyone. Today we are going to make this responsive movies website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code for the website is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Let's get into the topic. Today we are going to make this website, movies website. Here we have the menu bar, home, trending, popular, favorite, profile and logout, and you have a search button here. You can search the movies that you want, then the notification bell and profile. Here we are having the trending section. You can see how we have used the swiper library, JavaScript library, to make this website, to make this movie card responsive to change. You can see the change when I move from one card to another card, how it pops up and displays the name as well as the genre it is in, that is sci-fi and action. Next we have Squid Game, then Hitman's Wives, which is action and comedy. Then we have popular section. Here we have scrollable card menu with a heart icon, so that you can add it to the favorites you can see in the menu bar. Next we have the favorites, that is Venom, Dunkert, Batman vs Spider-Man. You can see the hover effect on the image. Then we have subscribe to newsletter. You can enter your email and subscribe to our newsletter to get the latest updates. We have social media icons like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, as well as YouTube. This website is entirely responsive, that is, it can be accessed in mobile, desktop, as well as in tab view. Let me show you. This is the desktop view as you seen before. Now we will see the mobile view. You can see this is the mobile view. The main picture, you can see the search as well as the menu bar here, home, trending, popular and favorites, profile as well as logout, and the trending section, popular section, favorite section and subscribe newsletter. It is also available in the tab version. This is the tab version of the website. You can see how we use the swiper library to pop up the cards, movie cards, then the swiper to move the slider, then we have the favorites, hover effect and menu bar. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. The source code is available in the description. Thank you.